Okay. A little cold out here today at Seaside Heights. Let's do it all over again. Little chilly out. Hey, good morning everybody, and welcome. Good morning, Big Red. Good morning, big guy. What you doing? Big Red. Hey, Big Red. Morning, buddy. Morning, buddy. Now you got another gash in the top of your head, buddy, huh? Buddy. You, Fantasia. Hissy. Hello, Hissy. Hissy. Don't know if you can see him. Little kitten right there. Little tumbles. Little tiger. Little tiger. I don't know. You might be Fantasia? Not sure. So these have been in the water for the past year, and now they took them out. You know, all those little mussels grew on them. Okay, people ask me what's happening with the sandcastle. This is the back of the sandcastle, or facing the ocean sandcastle. Not sure. I think this will come down. Not 100% sure on any of this. The casino pier will go wider, which means it'll come out more this side, which means this building, the sandcastle, would have to come down and probably go wider on the other side. I believe the crane is taking down this steel pier, taking down this, so the crane's taking all this down. The pier will not go out any further over the ocean. Of course, I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I hear. Sir, get back here.
Start the back one.
Yeah, you want to take that with you?
still a cool breeze, but the sun is shining and it's starting out to be a nice day again. And yeah, we're gonna go around for a little while here anyway. And now another exciting adventure of Seagull Sunday. Let's get ready to eat your pizza crust. Feed them. And that concludes another exciting adventure of Seagull Sunday. It's not gonna come. One more week for Casino Pier. Say goodbye to go-karts. Breakwater Beach. And now Peanut. Cat's doing cat things. Webster, you're supposed to chase the ball. Tumbles, what do you say? Almost forgot, Tumbles. Birthday shout out to Ann Healy. Happy birthday, Ann. Right, Tumbles? We'll say happy birthday to Ann, right? Don't forget us, Pizza Cats and Friends Appreciation Society. Check us out on Facebook. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, everybody.